How to mine Dogecoin, complete guide for easy mining. If you want to mine Dogecoin but don't know how, then this guide is for you. We'll go over everything you need to get started, including what equipment to use and where to find the best resources for mining. With a little effort, anyone can start mining Dogecoin and earn rewards for their contributions to the network. In this article, you'll find the requirements you need to get started in the world of mining. You'll also learn what types of hardware and software you'll need to have, their advantages, disadvantages, and more. Read on and find out everything about the industry. What is Dogecoin mining? Dogecoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the public ledger called blockchain. Users are rewarded with Dogecoins for their efforts, which they can exchange for other cryptos. Dogecoin's mining method is based on a proof-of-work (POW) system. This means that users must check transactions on the blockchain to earn rewards. If you want to start mining, you'll have to solve complex mathematical problems with the help of special equipment. This means that the difficulty of these are adjusted according to whether a new blockchain can be added to the chain, approximately every minute. Dogecoin is an excellent choice for miners because it is profitable. In addition, it is very popular and has a high market value, so users manage to generate large incomes with it. At the same time, Dogecoin has a low difficulty, which means that even if you are not very experienced, you can become successful. If you're interested in mining Dogecoins, we also recommend that you join a cryptocurrency mining pool. There, you will find a group of users who work together in this aspect and share the rewards obtained. This way, it will be easier for you to benefit from the Dogecoin. Requirements to start mining Dogecoin. To start mining Dogecoin, you'll need the right hardware and software. With this, you can either start alone or join a mining pool. In the case of the first option, you'll need a powerful computer and a lot of processing power. However, if you want to get started in the industry, it is vital that you consider the costs of this equipment. Joining a mining pool is a very popular and cost-effective option. In a pool, you partner with other users and share your processing power. This way, you'll be able to mine Dogecoin more efficiently and increase your chances of earning rewards. Below, we mention in detail the types of equipment that you'll need. CPU. It is possible to mine Dogecoin with CPUs. It's not the best way to do it, as CPUs are not as efficient as dedicated mining hardware and will likely result in lower profits for you. In addition, the increased power demand of the equipment can lead to higher electricity costs. For these reasons, it is generally not recommended to mine Dogecoin with CPUs. GPU. If you want to get started in this industry, then you should invest in a good GPU. Here are some graphics cards to consider. The Radeon RN290X is a powerful mining GPU that offers great performance for your rig. It is based on AMD's 28nm GCN architecture and comes with two 816 stream processors and 4 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory and features DVI-D, HDMI, and DisplayPort output. If you can't afford the Radeon RN290X, then you should consider the GeForce GTX 780 Ti or the AMD R9 280X. Both of these alternatives are good GPUs for Dogecoin mining and will allow you to start generating great profits. Remember that for mining, you will need several graphics cards with good features. This way, you'll be able to make the most of your experience in such activity. ASIC device. An ASIC device is a specialized computer built specifically for mining cryptocurrencies. These devices are much more efficient at mining than traditional CPUs and GPUs, which makes them essential items for anyone who wants to get serious about this world. There are many different types of ASIC devices on the market, so it is paramount to do some research before buying one. You should take into account some factors such as hash rate, power consumption, and price. How profitable is it to mine Dogecoin? Dogecoin is one of the most heavily mined cryptocurrencies with a hash rate of about 2 THS. This means that it's very profitable to mine, especially if you have access to a cheap electricity. The current price of Dogecoin is 0.08, making it one of the most sustainable cryptocurrencies in 2022. In the next few years, the price of Dogecoin is expected to increase to £1, making it even more favorable to me. However, there are a few reasons for this. Here is why the coin is believed to increase in value. First, more and more companies are starting to accept Dogecoin as payment, increasing the demand for the coin. Secondly, Elon Musk has been a strong advocate of Dogecoin, which has helped raise awareness of the coin. In addition, with the recent declaration of Twitter's purchase and wanting to place it as a form of payment, it made it have an imminent upside. All these factors together make it a profitable cryptocurrency for the future. However, the decision of whether or not to start mining it is yours. On the other hand, you can also purchase Doge from any cryptocurrency broker available in your country. However, evaluate all the pros and cons we've given together with an analysis of your financial situation. This way, you'll be able to know for sure whether or not it's convenient for you to mine Dogecoin.